how to test Facebook ads and scale your Facebook ad accounts in 2025. This is the most updated version that you will see on internet because we know Advantage Plus shopping campaigns are not there. Advantage Plus sales campaign, new thing, where you cannot select original audiences. There is only one option, Advantage Plus audiences, that we have to use. So no Advantage Plus shopping campaigns, only Advantage Plus audiences and only Advantage Plus sales campaign are there. Right, so we know Advantage Plus shopping, we tend to use it for scaling also. We do not test new creatives in Advantage Plus shopping campaigns and we only use it for scaling purposes. But right now we do not have Advantage Plus shopping campaign and we do not have manual sales campaign. So let me show you how you can test Facebook ads in the most efficient way. So I'll just show you how to test Facebook ads and scale your Facebook ad accounts in the most efficient way. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 80 million in revenue for my clients. So if you need any kind of help from my side to run your Facebook ads, you can reach out to me using the link in description. I am happy to help you guys. Let's start the video. So in the most ideal world, generally we have 3 to 4 campaigns for our e-commerce brand. Like if we are running Facebook ads for B2C brand or e-commerce store, we generally have 3 to 4 campaigns. One is Advantage Plus shopping campaign. What is manual sales campaign, where we test the ad creatives. You can say it as a testing. This is for scaling, right? And one is retargeting sales campaign. If your ad account is very big, if you have lot of data, generally people run a retargeting sales campaign. I also recommend to run retargeting sales campaign because Facebook is not retargeting to all of the people. We have this notion on the internet that Facebook tend to retarget people. Facebook is not able to retarget those people, right? We can use this tool. If the Facebook is doing all the retargeting, we should not have custom audiences. So we have retargeting sales campaign here, retention sales campaign, where we target those people who have already bought from us. It is a very healthy practice. If you launch a new product or new collection, you tend to show it to the people who have already bought from you. So if you want to test a new product in the market, it is best to show it to the people who have already bought from us. People who have from us, right? This is the ideal scenario. People tend to have different campaigns also for different ad creatives. I'm not talking about them. If it is working for you, it is good, but all the clients that I work with have generally have these 3 to 4 campaigns. Sometimes I have cost cap, bid cap types of campaign. They tend to perform in the some ad accounts and sometimes it does not perform in the other ad accounts. So it's a mix and match. Generally we have all these 4 campaigns for the D2C brands. So right now what is happened? Right now Advantage Plus shopping campaign, manual sales campaign are combined. We have new name for this, Advantage Plus sales campaign. Facebook have merged these 2 campaigns in the one single campaign. Previously, when we used to launch a sales campaign, we have the option to choose from whether you want to go with Advantage Plus shopping campaign. Second is a manual sales campaign, right? Where we can choose original audiences over Advantage Plus audiences. So right now, if we launch a sales campaign, we get this option. You no longer need to choose a campaign setup. New now called Advantage Plus sales campaign. That's what I'm talking about. Advantage Plus sales campaign. And manual options are still available, but Facebook have combined those things. Okay, so now when you launch sales campaign, you directly go to this ad set. You do not have the option to choose from manual or Advantage Plus audiences, and you got this campaign score. Whenever you try to refine this, your score will go down, but these things don't matter. First campaign is sales campaign, and let me just show you what I'm doing right now. You can sales campaign for prospecting. Your naming for campaigns, ad sets and ads should be so clear that when you launch lot of creatives, you know what is working and what is not working. Sales campaign, prospecting. We are not using Advantage Plus catalog ads. Advantage Plus is on. We have CBO campaign. If you launch multiple ad sets, then only you will be able to use ABO. But right now you have to use CBO. This is the thing. Engaged audiences, existing customer. Go to the ad set level, choose your ad set name. I tend to use open 6th March. So why I'm using this is whenever I try to launch a new ad set, I just name it on the basis of the date so that I know what kind of ads I have launched on those date and get to know what is there inside them, like which ad is working. And whenever I receive a new ad creatives from the clients, I just launch them with the date, with all the ads that I have got in that ad set. It can be 1, 2 or 5. It can be mix and match also. You need to check your attribution settings 7 day and 1 day. You need to check this and make it clear that you have the click through as 7 days and view through as 1 day. What we are going to do is Advantage Plus is on. So we have defaultly turned on as Advantage Plus on. We do not have the option to like go to the original audiences. If we click this, further limit the reach of your ads, you will have the option to add audiences. Advantage Plus is on. So previously we can turn off the Advantage Plus audiences, but right now we do not have the option to turn them on or off. It is defaultly on. Only time you can turn them off is when you choose custom audiences in your ads. Choose the correct location, you choose the right age, choose all genders. If you have women centric product, you choose female, and if you have male centric products, you choose male. Genders can buy your products, then go with the all. Right, it's all depend on the data that you have. Advantage Plus placements are on. Advantage Plus on over here. Advantage Plus on over here. Facebook is trying to take control of these things, but we have to make most out of this. We cannot complain about this that like Facebook has killed this. Facebook is trying to make its platform better and better, so we have to choose these things in the most efficient way. So you can add 3 to 4 ads over here. It can be 2 videos, 3 images there. Once you launch, quickly duplicate. When you create a new ad set, launch your all ads in the first ad set, and once you get the new ad creatives, for example, you get 3 to 4 new creatives from the clients after 6 days or 5 days, like for 11th March. So it's a pack. We are creating pack over here of ads. So I received ads from my clients on 11th March. So I launch all those ads in single ad sets. I am not going to disturb this ad set and disturb its learning. Similarly, when 3 days back or 4 days back I again get the ads, I will launch them in the different ad set and name it for that day, like 15th March, right? This way I am not spending money on each ad creatives individually and checking that this will work or not. Generally we tend to push the budget on the ABO level, right, and expect each and ad creatives to work. When we launch these new ads in this campaign and creating new ad sets for a new set of creatives, we are not disturbing the learning of 6th one and 11th one. If we start getting some results over here, it's good. If not, Facebook will spend money on the things that are working. That's why I told you, create new ads in new ad sets so that you do not disturb any learning from this of the previous ad sets. If Facebook think that your ads are worthy to get the spend, how we define a good ad? Good ad is something that Facebook is spending money and giving you good return. But if Facebook is not spending money and Facebook doesn't think that your new ads are more better than your previous ad, then only Facebook will spend the money. They will not push your budget into this. You are not spending small amount for longer period of time. You are just spending certain amount of budget that you have on the campaign, where Facebook will spend the money on the things that are working. Facebook will spend the money on the ads that are going to perform, and you will see after launching it for 7, 14, 15 days, Facebook will spend some certain amount of money on these ads, good ad or bad ad. But if Facebook is not spending money, you do not have to think about that. Why Facebook is not spending the money? Facebook is not spending the money because this is the bad ad for your ad account. Facebook will spend money on the creatives that good results. So this is one campaign that we launched, but right now we do not have Advantage Plus shopping campaign, so we are not going to launch this. I am not launching this again and again because previously we can use all the good ads and try to scale them, but we can do that part over here also. You can increase your budget like 5% or 10%. I prefer to do 5% 3 times a week in the Advantage Plus sales campaign, so you do not disturb the learning. And if you want to scale, you can scale efficiently and by not disturbing the algorithm. But if you want to, right, if you have some like after getting lot of data from this, what you can do is you can launch another Advantage Plus sales campaign and with bigger budget, you are just duplicating all the ads. Like you got two ads that are outperforming others in Open 11th, and two ads from this. You can create a separate campaign of all these ads. You can say it's a testing campaign and creating another one for scaling. But we know audience will be same. If you have a bigger budget, you can launch all these ads that have outperformed in the testing campaign into the advantage plus sales campaign. Retention campaign also is there. People have and retargeting sales campaign also. If you have good budget, you can launch this with IG and FB engagers, all website visitors. So IG and FB engagers, you got it. You can create the custom audiences, but what kind of date range you can? If you have lot of data, you can test between 14 days and 30 days. And if it is a small ad account, like you do not have that much amount of data, you can test 180 days, 90 days, or 45 days depending on the data. Like all website visitors, this is the custom audiences you can use. Let me just show you how to launch. Now you have this option, custom audiences. You have to turn this off. If you choose interest over here, Facebook use it as it's just as suggestion, right? Do not think that Facebook will use as those interest or custom audience or lookalikes. Also, Facebook use them as a suggestion. For example, if I click this, use this custom audience as suggestion, Facebook will show it to the more people. It's not going to be a retargeting ad. It will be a prospecting ad, because Facebook will just learn from this and try to show it to those people. Use as a suggestion whenever we want to launch our retargeting campaign, and same go with the retention campaign also, right? All website visitors, and here purchase 180 days. These are the two. This is the audience that we can use in this, right? Plus customer list, and here we can use the top 10% of ads from testing campaign with higher budget. So this is the structure that you can use for your brand, and this will help you a lot, because here you are not wasting the money. Here you are spending in the most efficient way, and all the money that you are spending is going to the ads that are giving you good returns. Facebook do not spend money if they think that this ad is underperforming. If they think that this ad is not going to work, they will not spend the money. So this is the structure that you can use. I have tested this. So you can skip advantage plus sales campaigns as a scaling. All the ad sets right now have advantage plus turned on, so there is no point of running advantage plus sales campaign. This is for the people who want to scale further, like in the crazy way. But creating similar type of ad set with the same ads, it doesn't make sense to me. I am testing this part only, and it is giving me good results. Ad sets that are currently running in my ad accounts have automatically turned on as an advantage plus audience. So right now I do not have the option to create manual sales campaign and using the original audiences. I am using advantage plus audiences only. If you got this pop-up in your sales campaign, choose this method. And if you still have original audiences and manual sales campaign, go with this flow. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment section. I am happy to help you guys. Thank you for watching.